Here is how to use the table app in the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator to solve math problems. The given function for the problem is quantity 40 plus 4x times quantity 12 minus x over 4. And it asks the difference of the value of the function on the 4th year from the 8th year if x is equal to the number of years passed. This would mean that I need to find the value of the function if x equals 4 and the value of the function if x equals 8. And finally, the difference between the f of 8 and the f of 4. To solve for these values in the calculator, press AC to turn it on, and then press Menu, navigate to Table, and press Execute. And then input the function 40 plus 4x times 12 minus x over 4, and then press Execute. Then press F5 to set the limits. 4 is the starting limit and 8 is the end limit. Press Execute, and then press F6 to create the table. And now we can see the values of the function for every value of x from 4 to 8. We now solve the values of f of 4, which is 616, and the value of f of 8, which is 720. This means that the difference of the 4th year from the 8th year must be 720 minus 616. You can solve this manually, or you can use the calculator. Press Menu, press 1 to go to Run Matrix, and input the expression. Press Execute, and the answer is 104. Therefore, the difference of the 4th year from the 8th year in this function must be 104. And that is our final answer.